All right. Sometimes we get asked to teach mom how do you do special effects? Well, there's lots of ways to do special effects, and they're not very easy. But there are some simple to use apps that you can do kind of fun, simple special effects. They're not super customizable, but I'm going to show you some of these options, okay? So here's the first one. This is an app called FX Master right here, okay? Now, most of these apps have like a free version and a paid version. The paid version for this one's like a one-time purchase of like $34. I have the paid version of this right now. Or you can do like a trial and just try it out, see if you like it. But anyways, most of them have like a few you can do for free. So this is just one called FX Master. There's all kinds of effects. What we're going to do is this one right here, this lightning tornado. My daughter's going to call down the powers of lightning and tornado in this video. You can see the full video on Nani Talks. But let me show you how you do this real quick, okay? So you just choose the effect you want. We're going to do this tornado one. Click record. All right. Then you got to turn it the way it tells you. And it's going to tell you what to do here. All right. So you got to hold the camera steady. You got to point it as the guide. And then you got to start recording. All right. So you got to direct and it takes a few times to get this right. And some of them are easier than others to get right. And you got to direct the subject in it, where to stand and things. Okay, Heidi, stand with your feet together. Okay. And then when I tell you to, you're going to raise your arms like you're calling down lightning.
Like this?
Sure. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to just like power, call down the lightning. Got it? Okay. Now I'm going to push record. And let's hope this turns out. And there you go. Tap to save. Okay. So that's a simple way that you can make little videos with special effects. Obviously, they're not the greatest special effects in the world, but it's a fun way to make easy special effects on your phone. Okay. You can download this video by clicking this. And then once it's downloaded to your phone, you can put it anywhere you want, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever else. That's it for Teach Mom How. That's how you make a simple special effects using your phone. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Have a great day.